Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Pressednsweet, and today I'm going to be making some nails, some technically gel-X nails. I already did that off camera, and I'm coming up with something more different, I guess you can say. Basically, I'm going to be using like food, like edible food on my nails. I'm going to be using stickers, and yeah, you guys don't judge me for when I mess up on my cuticles. I always struggle with that, but like I said, that's what cleanup brushes are for. I decided to use that color because it seems like it would go better with the stickers I'm using, and it can, reflect better. I was having a hard time picking a color. So yeah, this is my first time using that color, and it's really thick, so it was hard to make it, go to my cuticles the way I really wanted to. I'm not sure why, because that area that I record in is pretty warm, and usually when it's cold it's thicker, but whatever. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now, just painting my nails. I don't even know what color you would call it, beige, peach, whatever. I like it, it's something I'm interested in. I wouldn't do it if I wasn't interested in the color or how it turned out. It gets a little messy, but like I said, that's what cleanup is for. And as of right now, I'm just painting and curing and painting and curing, and yeah. I was gonna just let it ride, with the music, but it's going pretty fast, so I'm just talking. If you don't mind me talking, then you're at the right channel. And yeah, I'm doing a little cleanup again, making sure everything is neat and crisp. So right here you see the cheeseburgers and the cookies and the Nutellas and the hearts, and that's what I'm going for. And I'm just placing it in places that I think is necessary, basically. And so that's a cheeseburger and another cheeseburger. And I'm also going to be using some gold foils, just to, brighten it up, not make it so plain looking. And what's that? Oh, that's a cookie. Okay, a cookie. Well, like I said, it's going to be an edible nail. So, yeah. And I know I'm going to use a sandwich and some Nutella. Even though I don't eat Nutella, but that's what they had, so whatever. And of course, I do custom press on nails on the side, so if you're interested in this type of nail, I do have links in my description. I should put it in my pinned comments as well, but if I do forget, it is in the description. I have an Etsy shop, and I also have a Facebook marketplace. So and I also have my IG, so you can DM me and things like that. So yeah, and I love doing YouTube content as well as doing custom press on nails, so, and it does come with a free kit, so you won't have to purchase any. After you purchase what you purchase from me, you don't have to get anything else. You have everything you need, basically. I ship, and if you're local, we meet up, or you just come here. So back to the content. So with this top coat, you know how you get a lot of different, like for you guys that get that do nail content. You know how you get a lot of different nail sets, nail kits, and it always come with that top coat. This top coat in particular is so loose. Like, it was runny, very runny, so I had to do a lot of cleaning up. But but anyway, I'm using the gold foils just to liven it up a little bit. And yeah, that's really about it with this nail. Just putting on my top coat, putting on some gold foils, and then I just kind of make sure it's secured and it doesn't fall off, and I put a little bit more top coat on it. But you know, that's just for my nail content. If I did it as a press on, I'll use more of the builder gel so that it really won't come off. So take that in consideration. Things I do on my YouTube channel are a little bit different from what I do on my custom press on nails, because I'm very thorough when it comes to my customers and making sure they're satisfied and things like that. See, that top coat is just going everywhere. It's just like, no matter how neat I try to be with it, it just leaks. And I just have to clean it up, which is fine. I have no problem with that. This was a quick set. I had it didn't take me that long to do. Unlike that last video with the gummy worms, oh my god, it took so long. But this didn't take long, so you know, I wasn't, because actually it wasn't planned. I was actually doing someone custom toenails. So, and then I was like, yeah, I should do a YouTube video. So that's what I did. I just did something quick. I saw some stickers that I haven't used because I have a million stickers, and I just wanted to come up with something different because I like coming up with things different than what somebody else used. Not that I don't like what other people used, but sometimes you just want to be a little different. Everybody strives to be different, and nothing's wrong with that. Even if I have an inspiration, if I see inspiration on YouTube, I still try to come up with my own type of thing. And shout out to Ashley P on YouTube. She helped share my videos, and I see that she have brought a few people to my channel, and I'm so grateful for that. And that made me so happy. I almost cried because it's hard to get support, and I will support her. And she's a very nice person, and she's a very talented person. So yeah, so now I'm done with my nails, and so I'm putting cuticle oil up there. They're gonna look a little greasy. I always do that. I try not to make them look greasy, but they end up looking greasy anyway. But they look good. And I try to make it look good, make it look different. And I like what I did. And please like, share, subscribe, comment. I love you guys' comments. That makes me so happy. I love responding to them. I love reading them. So keep coming, and I'll come to your channel as well as I've had to have time. I am pregnant right now, so I have a lot of things going on. And yeah, just work with me and keep the channel building up. And if you like custom press on nails, I'm your girl. Thank you for watching, and bye.